severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Deschutes, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Deschutes County in central Oregon until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bend, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bend and Pummeled. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Deschutes, Oregon.